Hello everybody, today we're going to review Toshiba Dehumidifier. Okay, let's open the box. After open the box, we will get the dehumidifier and the power cable buckle and the user manual. In the front, it has a 9-gallon water bucket. When the water fills up, the LED indicator here will turn on and the machine will automatically shut off. Until you empty the bucket, the machine will running again. You can see the water level through this window, and on the bottom it comes with the 4-way wheel. It makes you moving easier. On the side, there is a built-in handle on each side. This is a air outlet. This is a air intake. It comes with a reusable filter. Every 250 hours, this indicator filter line will turn on. Then you have to wash this filter. This is a continual drain. Water can be automatic drain into water drain by attaching the hose. This is a power cable. It's 4 feet long, and here you can attach the power cable buckle to organize the power cable. Okay, on the top, this is a filter button. Every 250 hours running, this reminder indicator LED will turn on. Then you have to wash filter on the back. This is toggle button. It controls the fan speed. Press to select either high speed or normal speed for the fan. This machine works on 2 modes, either comfortable mode or continuous mode. On the comfortable mode, humidity cannot be manual select, but is set to recommend healthy and comfortable level by ambient temperature. Under the under the continuous mode, the humidity cannot be set neither, and the fan will non-stop running. Everybody, after we read the manual, we found the manual is not well written and it's very hard to follow. As you can see on the 2 mode, comfortable mode and the continuous mode, we cannot set the we cannot set the humidity manually. If you want to set the humidity level and want to keep a room humidity on the level, this machine is not able to do that. If we are wrong, please let us know below. Okay, now room temperature is 79.8. Let's test comfortable mode. Okay, now it's comfortable mode. The temperature go a little bit high. So thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful for you. See you.